I'm going to show you in this video how you can blur a video in Canva. So what you have to do, head over to Canva and then just open a new Canva, and you can open a new Canva, whatever resolution you pick, whatever size. I'm going to show you on this resolution. And what I'm going to show you right now is I'm just going to import a video. So I'm going to click on this one, and then I'll right click and select detach video, detach set video as background, and then we have the video as the background. Now I would like to blur the face, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go here, and here I'm going to write blur. You can write blur face, but yeah, that's one other way. You can grab now one of these blurs from here and move it on the face, but there are better ones like this one here. And of course, this is too much. You can go here and decrease the transparency just a little bit, so it looks better. And then you can, if it's not, it's still, you can see something, you can duplicate it and then move it around maybe. Or you can move it, you can duplicate it using Command D. Now you also here you have others. If that's too much, you can also use this one here, and it's not bad. This one, it's more soft, and you have more available here. You can also write just blur white, and then you can pick one of this from here. And if you want to change the color of this blur, you can click on here, and this is what I would do, and use one of this, which color you want. Now you also here you have other blurs. As you can see, we have blur dark. You can also write something like that if you want something more dark to use. For this one is nice. Okay, so yeah, pretty simple. This will last, as you can see, for the entire video. Um, the only disadvantage or downside or something to keep in mind when blurring a video in Canva: if your subject is moving, it might be tricky to track them later, because I don't know exactly, but I don't know there is a way to track. So I have this blur here, but I don't know if there's a way to track this. Maybe for you the character or the person is moving, then I don't know a solution. Maybe you're more advanced than me, so let me know in the comment section if you know a way. But yeah, I haven't explored all the options yet. I don't know, maybe there's an option, but from what I know, I don't think there is one. Yeah, I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care. And by the way, now if you want to share it, you can click on download here, and then here you have the quality. You can also export here 4K, and then of course MP4, and then just click on download. Okay, so I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.